Students, in this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure for Br2 molecule. So when two non-polar atoms combine together, they form a molecular compound. So Br2 is a covalent and also a molecular compound. So students, first of all, we count total number of electrons. Students, we know that bromine is present in group 17 sometime, which is known as group 7. So every bromine atom provides 7 electrons. So students, we have total 14 electrons, and we have to distribute these 14 electrons between two bromine atoms. So students, one bromine and this one is a second bromine atom. Students, first of all, we placed a pair of electron between both of the bromine atom to make a single covalent bond. After placing a pair of electron between both of the bromine atoms, we justify the octet rule for outside atoms, which are bromine. 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Students, in this way, both of the bromine atoms complete their octet, like 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Both of them share a single electron to represent a single covalent bond like this. Bromine, single bond, bromine. So students, this is the best Lewis structure for Br2. In this way, students, both of the bromine atoms complete their octet. And this will be the best Lewis structure for bromine molecule. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.